Nobody's ever hitting 3K. Oh, she goes. Oh. Man eater. Yeah, very, very boring position. It's going to be a draw very quickly, most likely. Oh. Whoa. I think bishop g6 is supposed to be correct if I remember this line correctly. Yeah, I think bishop g6 is always correct. We can never guard the pawn. After the trade, the knight covers the 2 squares. So white can never guard the pawn, so... I mean, white can try to pretend that he's playing for more, but this is about as boring as it gets. Because if I draw, I guarantee first, I think. What's the rule on draws? I forget. You can draw after move 30, I guess. I mean, everything draws here. I mean, I'll just take with the pawn. It doesn't even matter. It's all just a draw. Maybe I can play for more here, though. I'm wondering if I can play for more. Probably not, but I'm kind of wondering a little bit. See, he's thinking here, though, which means that he's not so convinced that he can draw. So now I'm wondering if I actually do play for more, kind of. I think I'll put... Oh, if I put the rook here, he's just going to go rook d3, right? Yeah, so it's not like I'm actually... Go here. Oh, wait, but this... looks kind of suspicious to me, actually. Wait, this looks suspicious. I might actually win. What is he doing? What is he doing here? He's just bungling this. Completely bungling this. I might actually have winning chances here. This is very, very dangerous for white. It's still probably a draw, but it looks very dangerous. If I go rook e2... I mean... Ah, but he takes a7. I mean, rook e2 looks right, but if I play a5... I think. I'm up a lot of times, so I should think here. I mean, a5 makes sense. I'm not running any risk of losing, so why not just play it? Like, if there's no risk of losing, then I should try to keep as many pawns on the board as I can. There's zero risk of losing, that's the main thing. As long as there's no risk involved, then I should just keep everything on the board. And now I go here. Oh, why did I should have played a4 first. Let's think about this, though. I mean, if I take rook e2... King g... Oh, okay, wait a second. I'm wondering if I can go rook... No, I can't go rook e2. I'm gonna have to put the queen on a8. Queen a8, king g7, rook there takes. Rook g8, king h6, rook h8, king g5, queen a5. King a5, king f4. Rook h4. That's too much. I can't risk a loss here. The line I was thinking was this. Takes, check here, takes. King f4, rook h4, king g3. But, I mean, it might work, but if I'm wrong, I just lose the game and I ruin a perfectly good tournament, so I can't do it. I think I'll just go here. Yeah, I don't know. It's going to be really fun to look at it afterwards. Actually, what am I doing here? Wait, what am I actually... No, what am I doing? Well, I'm blundering is what I'm doing. I'm blundering. Why did I just take on c2? What the heck? I can still make a draw, though. I still can make a draw. Why did I just... Wait, what's that? Was that a mouse slip? I'm trying to sack the queen and mate him. Got queen d7, maybe? Take f4, do I take a2? Tough. Ooh, this should be correct just because I can undouble the pawns. Go here. I'm gonna start pushing with P. I should be winning here, actually. Definitely should be winning. I'm gonna go rook a4. So dumb. So dumb by me. Okay, now I think I'm winning, so I'm gonna get the two connected. Okay, maybe not. I'm doing. I gotta move. I messed it up. Now I win though, right? Now I win. I cut him off. There we go. Good stuff, everybody. Good stuff. I flubbed